Okay, so change of plans here. This is another strategy that I actually thought of. I did get the switch completely removed from the housing here, and I do not have the tools on me as of now to get that removed. But I found here it is. I found this three-way canopy rotary switch. This came out of my Westinghouse over there in the corner, if you can see it. And if I couldn't get it to fit through this entry point here, I was gonna get it to go through this end here where the cord was coming out. I think that should work nicely. Now, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna get the cord to feed it back in through here, and it's gonna take some effort. It's gonna take some elbow grease, getting that back in through there, along with the grommet. That way, there's not gonna be anything like drilling any holes or bending or tweaking or anything like that. So hopefully that should work. Go ahead and I'll give you the progress on the blades here. See how well those cleaned up. I think they turned out really, really well. It's not particularly the chrome finish that it originally was, but I am gonna polish this up. Here's the front and the back guards. Those cleaned up really well. Still some corrosion here and there in some places. Probably gonna just maybe I'll polish these up too, I guess. I'll make up my mind on whether I'll repaint these things. I don't know. It's really up to me. Maybe I'll just paint them like a hammer finish, or I'll just paint them green along with the rest of the fan, or I'll just leave them as is. I'll cross that bridge when I get there. So, yeah. Okay, so now we can have a closer look at the motor here. And motor is in really good shape. It's just kind of filthy. So I'll just take and I'll wipe that down with some of these wipes here. I am just gonna take the motor apart, give it a good service for the heck of it. Not exactly sure how this comes apart, but hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. There's the housing here. Basically all I'll need to do is just clean that up using some house wipes. Same thing with the frame over there, and then I'll polish those up, and then I'll get everything wired back up, and I think this should be good to go. Simple as that.